Hey everybody, Cowboy here. We take a look at retests and how to trade them today. It's a brief clip, and if you stick around afterwards, if you like this content, you can find out who we are, what we do, how to find us, or simply zap the QR code at the bottom right-hand side of the screen, or go to algofactory.tech. And we look at a bearish retest today, but this also works with bullish retests as well. Enjoy. So bearish retest is going to be where price kind of creates this range a lot of the time. It's a consistent thing in markets. We talk about it at Algo Factory. So price created a range, right? And then it broke out of that range. Ranges are a little subjective. Sometimes I'll use the candle bodies. Like for example, in this range, you'll notice that the wicks kind of protrude out from that, but it's an average, right? Because then you have these bottoms here that really don't match that. So a range is going to be a little subjective. And I do like to, I like to average between candle bodies and like lows from other areas. This way it's going to be a little more consistent of a range. And price will deviate like it did at the top out of this range, but for the most part, it stayed in there. And then price broke out of the range. So your bearish retest, right, is if you have an algo, ideally, or if you're just watching price action, knowing that the high is like 2075 and then it's going to bounce off that high and go down. You have an idea that price may head down. However, what it might do on the way down is come back up to test that range. So let's kind of diagram the price action, right? You have this range that develops and then price breaks down out of the bottom of the range, right? And then it comes back up to touch the range. And in this case, it's a little double top and then heads down and then starts to make its way down. And actually, this one double tested the range. So this is a bearish retest, right? So, it's basically price headed down, but it comes back up to retest the range. Bearish meaning price heading down. Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget you can go over to www.algofactory.tech. Zap the QR code on the screen. Get us a Twitter at algo_factory777. And don't forget, we help people become traders. We help also to put people on the road to creating an algorithm that you can automate if that's what you would want to do. You can walk away, trade, it's a beautiful thing. And limited time, $49.99 a month for the membership. We hope to see you there. Thanks.